Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing of the Panasonic TMAX45 and I will give you my first impressions. Of course, I will make a sound test at the end of this video. So I bought this speaker because many of you asked me how does it sound, because on the box it says that it has 1000 watts of power. So compared to the dimension of the JBL Party Box Ultimate, this is just too little. So inside of the box we have an optic cable. That means we can connect it to the smart TV and play sound on it. We have the power cable, and here we have the speaker. It's not big, it's not too small. This speaker on the market sells at around $250, so it is not an expensive speaker. So this is the Panasonic TMAX45. On the internet I didn't find that this speaker should have an internal battery, but let's press the on and off button to see if it has. So it doesn't have an internal battery. So we are gonna plug in the cable, and now we're gonna press the play button. So now the speaker, it is turned on. We see that it has two 6-inch woofers and two tweeters. It has a light show, it has a stroboscope. On the top we have the inputs button, so turn on and off, bass button, off bass, on bass, the sound, the input selector because we have an optical, the Bluetooth, the illumination. Let's see. In the back we have the JBL Party Box 320 and the JBL Party Box 120, so the lights on them looks much better. The volume button, this is the equalizer for the guitar and the mic. We have a small LED display and the speaker mode. On the back we have the input, so we have an USB where you can play music or charge your phone, the optical in to connect the smart TV, the aux in and the audio out, and that's it. I don't know if it had battery. I would like it much more. So I will put it in Bluetooth mode to play a song on it, to hear it, because it doesn't matter the looks if the sound will be very good. It has these two 6-inch woofers, so the bass should sound very loud. But yeah, I really like how the JBL Party Box 320 or the 120 looks compared to this. It looks okay, but it is not something special.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the top, proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting out. You can have it down, not what I'm about, have it cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, jump like you're bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that
that was the sound test with the Panasonic TMAX50. Is it loud? It is very loud. It has 1000 watts of power. It doesn't have 1000 watts of power, but it is loud. Now let's talk about the sound quality. For a couple of years I was listening to almost every speaker on the market, or every good speaker on the market, and the sound that comes from this speaker, it is not balanced at all. You can definitely feel that every driver in this speaker is stretched to its maximum potential. So yeah, the sound, it is not balanced, but it is loud. The bass, it is you can feel it, but I do not like how it sounds, and I really do not like that this small speaker doesn't have internal battery, just like the 320 and the 120 from JBL. I made a couple of more tests, but yeah, the sound is not balanced, but I can definitely tell you that it is louder than the JBL Party Box 320. So for $250, should you buy this speaker? If you don't have any other option to pay extra, to pay $450 for the JBL Party Box 320, yes, it is a good speaker, but the sound is not great, the looks is not amazing, the light show, just you can see it with your eyes. I like that when you change the volume, it shows you the level of volume with the lights on the speaker. So yeah, $250. If it had a battery, I can recommend it at $250, but because it doesn't have internal battery, and because the sound, in my opinion, it is not that good, I cannot recommend you to buy this speaker. So what is your opinion? Should you buy this speaker? I don't know. I will make a loudness test with it to see how loud it is, and of course I will make a comparison between the JBL Party Box 120 versus the 320 and versus the Panasonic TMAX45 to see the difference in sound and in loudness. Yeah, so what do you think about this speaker? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel, and please hit that like button. Cheers!